Hey everyone, Matthew of Mr. Domestic here to introduce you to this amazing shop slash company slash brand slash life that I just learned about. They reached out to me to do the sponsored video, and I just finished a Father's Day interview with them over on their Facebook Live, so I'll put a link in the description here. Honestly, it was a great chat about a lot of different topics, and I already loved them, but I think I fell in love even more through the interview, so I hope that you all feel the same about this amazing owner and shop and all of the things. But specifically, this video is about their Swatch service. They have this neat Swatch service. Before I show you the actual card, I'm going to go to their site, right here, just to talk about it a little bit. It's a curated, tactile, and informative fabric shopping experience delivered right to your door. So it's a swatch card right here, and in it are little swatches of different fabrics. They have 3 different card options. One is garment fabrics of warm tones, one's garment fabrics of cool tones, and then one is for quilting cotton. And I got the quilting cotton one. All 3 of them are really awesome. Like if you're, let's say, a quilter and you're interested in learning about apparel or garment fabrics, but you don't know where to start, either one of the garment fabric options would be a great way to get introduced. That way you can touch and feel, you know which ones that you would like, since right now we're not able to go into shops a lot to touch fabric and feel them and do all of that. Super great. It's 8 different carefully selected fabric swatches that coordinate with the upcoming season. So you can subscribe to it from $13 every 3 months. Let's look at that. Swatch subscription service. From $13 every 3 months. Choose an option. Number of swatch cards. 1. Frequency. Once. Let's say once every 3 months. This is neat. Okay, this is neat. Choose an option. So let's do the cool tones. Done. Sign up. $13. 1 times 13 every 3 months. That's pretty neat. So for $13, I get this and I get to see things that they have, and this will give me a preview if I wanted to order more. Hey, I dig this. This is pretty neat. So let's get into the card. So let's look at this swatch service. So it's the Confident Stitch swatch service, quilting cottons. There's 3 different ones, as I said before. This is great. This is the front right here. If this is her actual store, oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. It's in Missoula, Montana. Then open it up. And then this is Kate. This is who I had an interview with earlier today. So lovely. Like, she embodies love, as I said before. Let's read a little bit about her story. The Confident Stitch began as Kate McGivor's blog chronicling her sewing adventures. She dreamed of providing the resources needed to transform great sewing ideas into beautiful outfits and projects. Oh, she does it all like me. I love that. Now she's making that dream a reality through a brick-and-mortar shop in Missoula, Montana, and the Confident Stitch website. Kate's mission is to create a welcoming place that uplifts and empowers everyone through sewing. Kind of like spreading joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. I love this. Okay, and there's a little story. Comes with a little discount code. I'm not going to let y'all see it. I've learned that. And then, wow. Okay, this is a Foxy card. Look at all of these. And so these are these 4 right here. The top 4. And then the bottom 4. But this is detailed. Like, it's enough for you to be able to feel and get the scale. But then it goes into specifics about that print. This one's Allison Glass, stitched running stitches in green. Art gallery, fabric, Bloomsfield and luminous. Hey, I see you, AGF. The flowers secretly picked from Grandma's garden. You weave daisy chains and pretty. Oh, I love this. Wyndham, Paint the Town, Playhouse and Cream. This is great. Ruby Star, Aviary Hana, Chambray and Blue. Has the price points. So this shows all of the fabrics, goes into the detail about the print. Ooh, Anna Maria, look at this. That's cute. Okay. Ooh, that feels nice. Riley Blake, Wiltshire Shadow and Raspberry. RJR, Floret, Geometric and Orange. I love this for so many reasons. One, okay, Kate, you've got some good taste because these are all beautiful. Like, I could see a quilt in all of these. Throw in some blenders, you're good to go. But what I love about this is that this is a showcase of, like, the best in industry, right? Like, all of these companies, and I'm sure she'll rotate through as other things come out. But not only does it give you a feel of each fabric, to know what it feels like and the texture and the pigment, etc., but this essentially introduces you to a new collection by 8 different designers and companies that you might not have seen before. So any of these, like this one, Bloomsfield and Luminous, let's go look at that. And then I'm sure that they have more fabrics than this one to where you would be able to say, okay, that's my style. I bet all that collection is my style, and discover it. I really like this, Kate. This is unique and innovative, and I haven't seen anything like this. What a great way to bring your store into the homes of many. So, Kate, yeah, this is awesome. I really like this. What a great idea for you to bring your shop into the homes and hearts of anyone who buys it. And, like, for real, you have my heart. It's an honor that you asked me to do this and share this with the Mr. Domestic community. I really hope that you all support this, because there are multiple things going on right now, but one thing is that I intend to uplift and share with all of you more small businesses, especially right now, so that we can help give them a voice, elevate them, and if their values align, vote on them with our coins. So it was a pleasure. Really enjoyed this. Hoped you loved it as well. I'll talk to you soon. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out. Wait. Okay, so I haven't said this in a while, but let me just say it. So subscribe to my channel. It's really fun. It's a party. You're really gonna like it. It's so much fun. I promise. That was my daughter leaving. And don't forget to thumbs up my video. And then still keep it positive. Okay, bye.